Alright, so I'm going to compare and contrast quantitative and qualitative argumented feedback. So when we talk about argumented feedback, we are in motor learning, we are referring to the information that comes from an external source and adds to the performer's own sensory feedback. Within argument feedback, one important distinction between quantitative and qualitative feedback, both are used to help improve performance, but they provide information in different ways. Starting off with quantitative argumented feedback is feedback that is given in a numerical and measurable terms. This type of feedback is how much or how far something has occurred. An example of this can be in a sprint. A coach may say, you ran the 100-meter dash in 12 seconds, or your stride length was 3 or 4 2 meters, something like that. This type of feedback is very precise and objective because it uses numbers. It's especially useful for tracking progress over time or comparing performances. On the other hand, qualitative argumentative feedback is more descriptive and focuses on the quality of the movements rather than numbers, hence the name. Instead of giving measurements, it explains what movement looks like or how it felt. So another example of this can be you swing your arms too tight, or in swimming, your stroke wasn't long enough, that sort of thing. So this type of feedback helps the performer understand how to change their technique. When we compare these two, one key difference in quantitative feedback, it tells you what happened in measurable terms, while qualitative feedback tells you how the movement was performed rather than, again, showing the numbers. Quantitative feedback is more objective and precise. Qualitative feedback is more subjective and interpretive. However, both types of feedback are important and often best when they are used together. Quantitative feedback can show the performance is improving, while qualitative helps guide the specific changes and improve their technique. So overall, quantitative refers to how much, while qualitative shows and answers how well something was performed. And understanding both of these types, it allows coaches and learners to analyze performance and improve this skill.